Fine architectural details can be beautiful, but they can also be challenging to replicate during restoration. Advanced repair technology is making it even easier for you to recreate these fine details with our plastic applicator syringes. And ART syringes allow you to tint the Flex-Tec HV epoxy to match the color of your repair. This is perfect for ornate details in hardwood ornaments, moldings, or furniture. Begin by mixing and applying the Primatrate to the area to be repaired, as always allowing it to set for at least 10 minutes. Next, mix and apply the epoxy for your larger repair areas that do not require fine details. Now, pack the epoxy into the syringe using a narrow sculpting knife. Insert the plunger and push it down to push the epoxy all the way to the tip of the syringe. Repeat this process until the syringe is completely full. Now, push the epoxy out of the syringe and begin to apply it to your repair. Use a sculpting knife to screed off the excess epoxy. Continue to apply epoxy and to screed off until your repair is completely filled. If you find you have extra epoxy left over, use it to take care of any repairs lying around that you've just never gotten to. This watering can with a split seam is the perfect candidate. If you require a greater flow of epoxy, simply trim the tip of the syringe to your desired width and continue as before. Screed off the excess, and when you're happy with your repair, allow it to cure for at least 24 hours at least 70 degrees. Try ART's plastic applicator syringe today and see how easy detailed restoration can be. Advanced repair technology, because the greenest building is the one that's already been built.